Hi, myself Dr. Jins Paul, coming from Trivandrum, Kerala. I am having a dental clinic, Dental Designs. I am into practice for the last 25 years. I started my career with my senior Dr. John, and he was very into this practice of modern dentistry. He guided me all the way. Later on, I started my own practice, and from the initial days itself, I was into the veneers, all those steps I started using it, and later I found my own way to the old style of practicing dentistry. Then I heard about Dr. Aslam. I heard from him in Pune, 2018 RSD conference. He did an amazing presentation, and we were overwhelmed with his presentations. And that day itself, we asked whether he is conducting any course over there for such an amazing work he did. So he told that time he was not doing it, but later we found that he started this RSD program, and we all really want to attend the program. And I came all the way from Trivandrum to Bombay to his center to the program for the 4-day advanced course, and it was an eye-opener for us where the digital world in dentistry has reached and where we stand. It's all amazing, and all workflow is that we can visualize directly in the patient where the final outcome of the work comes, and the patient also can see, and we have a live demo over here, and we really amazed to see the final work done. Live demo was there. We did the preparations, we did the temporizations, and exactly like that what we show in the demo, the final work also came. That is an amazing part. So there is no foul play in between, no false promises to the patients. What we saw, what the patient saw, we deliver. There is certain protocols to be followed for that, because it is a precise dentistry or digital workflow. That little bit of initial learning curve will be there. That's for anything, it will be there. But it was a really eye-opener for people like me also. So anybody will be who is really want to do amazing works or really want to give that kind of stuff what the patient demands now, we can be very sure about that work also. See what we are delivering, we know that what this is the stuff we are going to deliver. So that is kind of an assurity for our self-boosting also, self-confidence also. I surely recommend my fellow dentists to attend the program. It is definitely the coming years, it is into the digital world. So don't be back out in with some hesitations. We ready for the change. The Western world is already changed. We are still lagging behind. So this is a great opportunity. The team is there, the workflow is there, everything is set for us. Just utilize it. And I really congratulate Dr. Aslam, Dr. Mithun and his team for conducting such an amazing program. Thank you RSD for giving an opportunity, amazing opportunity to attend such a program. Thanks.